Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade Tzatziki sauce. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 crisp English cucumber, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. These high-quality components are the foundation for a truly authentic and flavorful Tzatziki, ensuring a creamy texture and vibrant taste that everyone will love. Next, let's prepare our cucumber, a critical step for preventing a watery sauce. First, grate your English cucumber using the large holes of a box grater. Then, place the grated cucumber into a clean kitchen towel or several layers of cheesecloth. Squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This simple action ensures your Tzatziki remains thick, creamy, and packed with concentrated cucumber flavor, making a huge difference in the final texture. Now, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a medium bowl, combine your well-drained grated cucumber with 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. Add 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh dill. Stir in 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, mixing everything until well combined. The final step is perhaps the easiest, but it's essential for the best flavor. Cover your freshly made Tzatziki and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. This chilling period allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly. Serve your delightful homemade Tzatziki with grilled meats, warm pita bread, or fresh vegetables. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.